In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a website link as a source in NotebookLM. If you want NotebookLM to read, summarize, and cite information from a web page you've found, adding it as a source is quick and reliable. Let's walk through it together from start to finish. First, open your browser and go to NotebookLM. If you're not already signed in, sign in with your usual account. You'll land on the main page where you can manage all your notebooks. From here, you can either create a brand new notebook or open one you've already started. Creating a new notebook is helpful if this website belongs to a fresh project. Opening an existing notebook keeps everything for a topic in one place. Give your notebook a clear name so you can find it later. Inside the notebook, look at the left-hand sidebar and find the option labeled Add Sources. This is where you bring material into NotebookLM so its tools can reference it. Click Add Sources to open the source picker. In the source picker, choose websites. NotebookLM can ingest several kinds of content, but because we're working with a web page, the websites option is exactly what we need. Next, copy the website link you want to use. Go to the page in another tab and copy the full URL from your browser's address bar. Make sure it's the page you actually want analyzed, not a search results page, and try to avoid links that require a login or sit behind a paywall, since those may not load properly. Return to NotebookLM and paste that website link into the Websites field in the Add Sources panel. A quick tip: double check that the link starts with HTTP or HTTPS and remove any unnecessary tracking fragments at the end of the URL. Keeping the link clean helps NotebookLM fetch the content more consistently. When the link looks good, click Insert. NotebookLM will fetch the page and add it to your notebook as a source. Give it a moment to process. Once it appears in your source list, you can view it, generate summaries, ask questions about its content, and cite it directly in your notes. If you see an error, it usually means the page blocked access or the link was incomplete, so try a different version of the URL. And that's it. You've successfully added a website link as a source in NotebookLM.